Everyone knows that the screen protector is always important if you want to keep your phone in good condition. I have many friends who often don't like putting on the screen by themselves, and so today I'm going to teach you how to do that. It's very easy and can be done extremely quickly. If you do not already have a screen protector on, you can skip this first step. However, if you do, then I'm going to teach you how to get it off. All you need is a thin tool to lift up the corner of the glass. The glass can be sharp, so be careful not to cut yourself. Once the glass is off, you can wrap it in some paper and throw it away. Before actually cleaning the screen, remember to turn off your phone. To make placing the screen easier, you may want to take your phone case off. There are many steps I use to clean my screen, however using the wipes given is probably the easiest. Here I'm using an alcohol solution on a tissue to wipe off any sticky substances on my phone. It is also important that you clean the home button now, as doing it after the screen is on is more difficult. I occasionally use wet wipes to also remove any smudges. To avoid watermarks, use a dry tissue to wipe away the liquid. While you have your case off, you may want to clean the back of your phone. Next, I like to use a number of different microfiber cloths to remove any of the finer smudges. If possible, you should use a new microfiber cloth to remove the smudges. Finally, I'm going to use the wipes given to remove any of the dust. When cleaning your screen, it is always important that you wipe in the same direction in order to minimize rubbing in the dirt. Many products contain 2 or more screens to minimize the packaging cost. I'm going to put one by the side for another time. Before putting on the screen, I like to check it fits well. You may want to wipe your screen one last time to remove any recent finger smudges. After this, if I'm happy with the screen, I will then start to peel back the plastic. The key to fitting your screen is to line up with your camera and microphone. Checking it lines up with the home button is also important. Make sure you spend lots of time checking the screen is lined up. Once you are ready, you can carefully drop your protector screen onto your phone. Let it settle in by itself. Unless the screen is completely out of place, do not attempt to move it, as this may also crack the glass. After this, you can carefully place the case back on your phone. Once completed, you should have a brand new protector screen on your phone. You can now go ahead and turn your phone on.